Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to live inside an aquarium using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits. Then just go to the home menu and select the image menu. And you're going to add this prompt. And then I'm going to upload my photo to this website. I'm going to use, wait guys, I'm still choosing it. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, and you can use this prompt or you can modify it, or you can use your own prompt, or you can ask AI to make a prompt for you. I actually asked ChatGPT to make prompt for me, and hold on. The AI is still working, or the photo I've just uploaded. Okay, done for the photos, and I'm going to choose one of them, guys. I'm gonna go with this one, and we can click on download right here. Then choose without Pippit watermark, and the photo will be saved to your device. Or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on try again right here, and the AI will regenerate the photo for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can live inside an aquarium using AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and you can try to make any video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!